Hello. In this video, we intend to fund our ActivTrade broker account using the Skrill method. We log into the account, select the desired trading account, and click on the Make a Deposit option. In the Make a Deposit section, we select the Skrill method.
7 powerful volume trading indicators: footprint, volume profile, and fast scalp. Level up your trading.
In this section, we carefully input the specific amount of funds we want to deposit, then choose the particular trading account you wish to use. And here, in the section where your linked Skrill account details are displayed, we proceed by clicking on the button labeled Next, and then finally select the Submit option to complete the process. You can either scan the QR code you see with your Skrill wallet or click on the Continue on Browser option. We enter the password to log into the Skrill account and select the Login option. To make the payment, we select the Pay Now option and also the Confirm option. A code will be sent to the registered email address. We enter the code and select the Continue option. We enter the 6-digit PIN code. The transaction was completed successfully. As you can see, we have successfully funded our account, and in the Amount section, our account has been credited with $20. Also, by selecting the Back to Payment option, in the Account section, you can see that the amount of $20 is available in our account, and the Total Equity section is visible. In future videos, we will be with you to discuss other deposit and withdrawal methods in the ActivTrade broker. Wish you success.
Do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.